First scratch there, they did their first little scratching thing. She's laughing at me. I was like, oh, that's our first scratch. Like they're babies, right?
They are babies.
I know. Lucky, no. At least spank her. Don't let him. Don't be getting on her. Just leave her alone.
Where's she at?
Underneath me?
Get the baby, get the baby.
Put it inside.
Come on, James, come on. Come on, James, let's go.
She lost her way. I don't think she has street smarts.
Did we get the Khalees dog?
Yeah. It's not the smartest in the...
We got the Khalees dog.
Look how he wags his tail. Look at him. Oh my gosh. He's so funny. Let's go up, let's go up. He likes touching it. He likes the way it feels.
He's like a little wind-up dog, huh?
Oh, he runs fast.
Yeah,
Is that Patty's? Come on. Oh, they're going back to the house.